He's good. So let us work with the light for the time being. People, good morning to you. Properly good morning. It's September 16, 2025. It's a big day. Very important day for one Andrew Michael Holness. Today is the day where he gets sworn in for a fourth time as Prime Minister. Did so in 2011, 2016, 2020, and now 2025. 3 own mandates, 16, 20, and 25, and one shared mandate. Max Wilson says George is alone in the dark room. Yeah, true. Yeah, talk, you know. It's true. It's true. Captain J says it's his birthday. So yes, today is not the date with destiny. Today is the result of a date with destiny in which, as they'd say in the street, Andrew Bingo. In Bingo election day. And this day is the fruit of his success on election day.